What's up guys, Junior Mirza here today. We'll be unboxing Battlefield 1 Frontline Pack. Looks pretty dope. Came out last year. I guess it's unboxing videos late. Let's get right into it. Let's see. Open it from here. Let's see what we got. A beanie. Some metal things. This one came out of it. But, this. Alright, first thing first, we got this. So, from the, I think it's Engineer from the multiplayer. If you guys had ever played it. Let's see, some necklace. But I assume they use these like during the war in the game. I don't know. Doesn't say nothing much about it. Some cool metal things. I think that's okay. That's Engineer. I don't know, something with that's Engineer Heavy Machine. That's Medic, Sniper. I think Explosive. I'm not sure about this one, but this is like a Pokemon thing. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. Some green. Looks pretty dope. Oh, they have like the medals we just shown. He had these. Wait, let me put it on. Feels comfortable. But yeah, thank you guys for checking this video. Stay tuned for more. See you guys later.